Oh, look, the sun coming up in no land. Doo-dah. Get my family all tired out. Roll into Salmon Arm, play some hockey today. Then I'm gonna come back and play like these guys. Barbecue. I'll be in pain for sure. So I'm gonna smash a couple of rum and coke today, I think. Or beer, we'll see. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when I come and poop on you? Hey, don't hurt that old dog. Jesus. The sound of a dually in the morning. Rolling coal. Almost as good as smell a two-stroke in the morning. Speaking of two-strokes, Jesus Christ, man. That Tiger is so much fucking fun. Was doing some little wheelies yesterday. Second gear wheelies are going to be a little harder. The dirt, they'll be easy. Pavement, a little harder. Hey! Keep a civil fucking tongue in your head. So yeah, dirt bike. I want a 250. I want something that if you see a fucking log like that, all you do is fucking wheelie and fucking hit it with the back wheel. Itchy boots. That chick's fucking awesome. I wanted to get down here on the bike because this is fucking frozen enough right now. I could rip. Hey! But I waited too long. My window of opportunity. It's too fucking cold. And then when the sun came out, it's too greasy there. The ruts are too big. Probably end up fucking going down. Going down like a clown. 244, 245. God damn, another beautiful day. We're going to get 8 degrees Celsius weather. Passports in the mail. Pipes in. I'll be coming back to Calgary pretty quick. DOA. Write that down, fuckface. Highway 8, 22X. See if you got some balls, fuckface. Right? SOS, Death Valley. I've known you for fucking years, buddy. Always liked you. Funny guy, big smiles, cheerful. You keep saying hi to DOA. He stole my fucking lights. I got your seeds from him. Thank you. Appreciate it. He stole my fucking lights. He still has them. So fuck him. And anybody that says hi to him can all suck my dick. I guess you guys are fine with thieves. Cheers, you queers.